this video, we will learn how to use the BotX 3D universe. On our BotX master screen, we're going to go right here to 3D, and this will take us to the 3D universe where we can see our weld. We can add the table back in, or we can take the table out. We can turn off our weld segments, or we can turn off our air movements. We have different camera angles that we can use to see our weld. We can zoom in, and this is a very helpful feature when you have a lot of weld points and you want to make sure that they are correct. And that is a quick introduction to the BotX 3D universe.